Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing this pink gold look. So if you're interested to know how I got this, then please continue watching. Now before I start with eyeshadows, I really need to wear color corrector and concealer on my eyes because I have very dark circles from working on computer all the time. And I don't think I look in real as sick as I do when I wear only concealer on my lids. I don't look this sick in real life. This step makes me look so sick and dead, literally like a zombie. Anyway, first I'm picking this shade from Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette 01. I have created other looks like only from this palette, so if you are interested, I have them linked in the description and the eye. You can go and check them out. So I am shading this color just in the corners, like 1/3 of my lid, and then I'm cleaning this brush because I have to use it for another shade, and I will pick this pink from Makeup Revolution Creative Palette and I will blend it on my lids only like through half only through half of my lids. So that's what I'm doing it on both my eyes. And you know, take your time with blending, needless to say, because the more you blend, the more smooth your eye look will look, right? Now I'm gonna pick this gold shade on a shader brush, and I'm gonna build this color slowly on the inner corners because this color can be really intense and I didn't want like a bright flash of this color right in someone's face. So I'm only building it to my satisfaction so that it complements with other colors. Not too bright, not too dull. I hope that made sense. Next, I'm gonna pick this pink shimmery shade right where gold and pink meet, just to smoothen out things, just to make it look a little more smooth and shimmery. And after that, I did my foundation, concealer, and all the steps behind the scene. That's why you will see me here act like, oh, I'm done with my face. Yeah, that's what the act. Next, I'm going to pick this first shade again to do my lower lash line. Actually, all the steps after this are pretty much self-explanatory. So I don't think I have to bury with my horrible voiceover. So I'm so sorry, I'm not really good with it. So I will say my goodbyes here. Anyway, all the products are in description in case you wanna know. So bye in the voiceover. Bye. Please continue watching the video.